Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Jonas E. Olandria. By the way, I'm Connie Picotan and I live in Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So my assigned topic in EDMA 511, School Laws and Legislation, is all about Chapter 9, Miscellaneous Provision. So in Miscellaneous Provision, it is divided into 6 parts. So my assigned topic is all about Section 23, the medium of instruction, and Section 24 is the school year. So, in medium of instruction, the department shall promulgate rules and the regulation on the medium of instruction for all school in accordance with the policy declared in Section 7, Article 14 of the Constitution. So, Benigno Aquino III was the one who approved this law on January 20, 2012. It was partially implemented for school year 2011 to 2012. So, what is the medium of instruction for Republic Act 10157? So, in medium of instruction, the state shall hereby adopt the mother tongue-based multilingual education or MTB-MLE method. The mother tongue of the learner shall be primary medium of instruction for teaching and learning in the kindergarten level. So, what are the advantages of Filipino as medium of instruction in school? So, the use of the Filipino language creates line between teachers and students in communicating ideas and thoughts. Good communications improves understanding between participants. So, as we deliver our lesson, when we use mother tongue language, our learners can easily participate in our lesson. So, there are the medium of instruction in the Philippine schools. So in the Philippines, the learner first language should be the primary medium of instruction at least until grade 3. So in kindergarten up to grade 3, the primary medium of instruction to be used was the mother tongue of the learner. So if the learners lives in Manila, so their primary language there was their primary language is Filipino language. So in our case, we live in Bohol. So our language or our mother tongue language is Cebuano language. So in the secondary education, Filipino and English are primary medium of instruction. So when our learners go to secondary, so their medium of instruction to be used are Filipino and English language. So in Section 24 school year, the school year for public and private schools shall consist of not less than 40 weeks for the elementary and secondary levels and 36 weeks for the college level or 18 weeks a semester. 2. The opening date shall be fixed by the Secretary, but it shall not be earlier than the first day of June, nor later, the last day of July of each year unless prevented by the fortuitous event. So before, our opening of our class was June and it will end in March or April first week, but because of the due of COVID or the pandemic, 2019, our school year was changed into, we start our opening class on August and it will end on July. 3. The long school vacation period shall likewise be fixed by the Secretary, taking into consideration the convenience of the pupils and the special climatic conditions prevailing during the said period. So before, our summertime was April and May. Because of the climatic condition here in the Philippines, we know that April and May was a hot month, or we suffer climate condition or very hot weather. So that day or that month, we consider it our vacation period. So 4. The dates established for the long school vacation shall not be changed oftener than once every 5 years without prior public hearing properly advertised in a newspaper of general circulation or announced by the school authorities concerned. Conclusion: the School Code of Discipline Rules of Procedure shall not be subjected for revision depending on the needs arise. Future amendments shall be circularized to all concerned. So here is my reference. Thank you for listening and for your attention.